tornado is coming. Please stop selling balloons and go home now.
What? A tornado?
You need to go home too, little yak.
Attention everyone! Attention everyone! Attention everyone! Attention everyone!
A tornado will be here in 15 minutes!
Please go to your basement or underground parking lot and prepare for the tornado!
Ouch! Daddy, we need to go to the basement. A tornado is coming!
It's okay. It's okay. Our house is very strong. Don't worry. Relax.
Woof! Hi, I'm Sheriff Labrador.
Help!
Hello? Hello? Papillon, find out who called just now.
Leave it to me! Found it! The call was from Mr. Yak's house. This is the location.
This is strange. Why does it keep moving?
It's moving so fast and in circles. It can't be. They're caught up in the tornado. Let's go.
A big ice cream cone is chasing us!
Huh? That's not an ice cream cone. It's a tumbleweed tornado.
What? Oh no!
It's a giant tornado!
Everyone, get out of the car and go to low-lying places. It's coming. Watch out, Mr. Raccoon. Don't stand next to the telephone pole. What? What was that? Watch out. Huh? Get down.
Where's Sheriff Labrador?
Sheriff Labrador! Sheriff Labrador! Huh? Where is he?
Toby, under your feet. Huh? Huh? A pot lid and a toilet? These are things in a house. Huh? Huh. Oh no! The yaks are in the tornado! They may get thrown out at any time! Toby, Papillon, let's go save them!
Okay!
Oh no! The car can't be used now! What do we do?
I have an idea! Papillon, use this as a tire.
Got it!
Toby, help me carry the mattress to the car and use it to save the yaks.
Watch me!
Let's go!
Daddy, what if we fall down?
We won't. Daddy has strong arms. Little yak!
They're falling down!
Hold on tight!
Thank goodness! We're safe!
Sheriff Lab Labrador's Safety Talk. Kids, if you run into a tornado, you need to evacuate to a safe place immediately, such as a basement or inside a sturdy house. If you are in a car, stop the car and get out right away and find a low-lying place to take cover. Also, remember to stay away from trees, telephone poles, and billboards, because they might hurt you. Please keep these in mind. Woof!